Welcome back to Crazy Monkey Detailing. This is Trevor, and today we got another mystery bucket for you guys from, of course, Adams Polishes. I caved and I got another one just to test out my luck. So let's dive right in and see what we got. I already pre-cut my box, so I'm not struggling with it on camera. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. Of course, we got all the packaging. And already I can tell this thing is filled. So let's get it out of the box. Drop that to the side, and it looks like we got Adams clear bucket, which is very cool. Right on top here, we got a microfiber wheel wash mat. I already have one of these guys, and it works really, really well. So I guess this is going in my backup, just in case. And then we got a premium interior towel. I have these as well, and you can never have too many of these because you're always going through microfibers when you're doing details. We're going to get all these nozzles out of the way right away, as always, because we always get a bunch of nozzles. And then what else we got here? We got a tire gel applicator. These things are really great. I have one of these as well. So that will go in my backup. And then, wow. We got a haul in this bucket. Already, Adams Patriot Wax. I already know a little bit about this thing. This thing is $100 alone. So, I already got my money back on just one item. Freaking crazy. Moving on, we got a nice wheel brush. These are really, really soft bristles. I know some wheel brushes are a little bit firmer and have the potential to scratch painted wheels, but I feel like this brush right here could do a really good job cleaning. So that's awesome to have. We got this weird little box. It says a Drencher hose nozzle. I've never seen this before. On the box it says 1,000 precision drilled holes for water maximization. Premium rubber O-ring for maximum water flow. High quality ABS plastic. 7.1 gallons per minute flow at 40 PSI. So I'll have to look this one up on their website. But cool, I haven't seen that yet. Moving on, we got the products. So we're starting with the interior detailer with the Microban, excuse me. The eucalyptus mint scent. I have a gallon of this, and I went through a 16 ounce already. This stuff smells amazing and works really good as well. We also got some all-purpose cleaner, heavy duty degreaser, and a bright kind of highlighter yellow. I actually haven't used this yet, but I have got another bottle of this. Wash and wax. This stuff is pretty cool. I've used this. It doesn't foam as much as their car shampoo or ultra foam, obviously, but it does make the surface nice and slick, and you do get a nice shine from this wash and wax. So it does work really well. The glass cleaner here. I've used this as well. Another nice smelling scent, and yeah, it's another glass cleaner. I typically tend to go to a foam spray glass cleaner, but this stuff works really well as well. What else we got here? Some tire shine. I love Adams Polishes tire shine. It works amazingly, especially with that applicator. You get really good results with that. We got some wheel and tire cleaner. Also another really good product I've tried by them. Good to have a backup of that. We got H2O Garden Gloss, another product. I mean, you can't go wrong with Adams. A really nice product. It's kind of a product you use when you're drying off your car, and it adds a little bit more depth and clarity to your paint and a little bit of protection as well. So that's cool. And then these two are in some fancy bottles. We got Adams Ceramic Waterless. Another awesome product. I have not tried this out, but if it has ceramic in it, you can bet it's going to work pretty well. So I'll definitely have to try that out. Very cool. And then another of their ceramic line, we got ceramic liquid wax. So this stuff is really thick. I can feel it in the bottle there. Another product I have to try out. I tried out their ceramic paste wax already in my last unboxing. If you want to go check that out, you can see that. But that product works really, really well as well. So, I mean, you can't go wrong. And then in the bottom here, it looks like they even tossed in a grit guard for me. And of course, some stickers and some mints as always. So I'll grab all these. They sent me a bunch of mints here. And then, of course, the grit guard. I don't have a grit guard yet. I know a lot of detailers are out there, but like, how are you detailing and washing cars without a grit guard? Well, that's how I've done it for years and years. So now I finally have a grit guard, and I can put that to good use. And I also got the clear Adams bucket, which is also really cool. I believe these are out of stock, and they don't sell these anymore, but I could be wrong. And without further ado, let's check how much all of this product cost. Alright, so I paid $70 for this mystery bucket, and man, oh man, did I make out well. I was one of the few that got over $250 worth of product. So let's get right into this list. So the bucket alone, the clear bucket, was $13, and I was right, it is out of stock. You can't get it anymore. The grit guard was $7. The premium interior towel was $6. Microfiber wash mitt, $10. The short wheel brush was $20. The Drencher hose nozzle, which I was unsure about, was $20. I'm not sure if it's worth the $20, but we'll find out. Tire shine was $15. Wheel and tire cleaner, $13. Wash and wax, $15. Glass cleaner, $17. H2O garden gloss, $20. All-purpose cleaner, $17. Interior detailer with microban is $13. The ceramic liquid wax was $18. Ceramic waterless was $14. Patriot wax, $100. The tire gel applicator, $7, which totals up to $325. Yeah, $325 worth of product. I mean, you can't go wrong there with a $70 price tag. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. Alright, so if you guys are interested in seeing how some of this product is being used, you can check out my future videos. It's currently still pretty chilly here in central New York. It's only about maybe 40, low 50s some days. Some days it gets up to 70. It's kind of hard to tell right now, so until it gets about 50, 60 plus every single day, the videos for detailing just can't really happen because I'm so unsure of the weather. But before I forget, check out the new shirts. Got a Crazy Monkey Detailing logo, customized by yours truly. So that's a pretty cool shirt. So I'm doing clients' cars and on the go, I can rep myself and spread the word. So this is my third unboxing of the Adams Mystery products. If you want to go check out my two other ones, I'll add a link up top and also in the description below. I got some killer products from Adams, and it absolutely is awesome. So if you want to check out Adams products and haven't gotten any yet, the Mystery Series is the way to go. They have boxes, buckets, trunk organizers, carts, polishers, all with mystery products in them. So very, very cool. But other than that, this is Trevor from Crazy Monkey Detailing. We'll see you later. That's right.